Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Stack Hub. Is your laptop dying faster than it used to? In the next 5 minutes, I will show you the exact way to check your battery health on Windows. No third-party apps, just on command and a report anyone can be read. You will need Windows 10 or 11 and we will use admin terminal so the report can save correctly. In your Windows button, click on Windows and search CMD and click on its right click and you can click run as administrator or you can simply click here run as administrator on Windows 11 and then you will get a terminal like this and you need to be type this command and hit enter. powercfg battery report and press hit enter and then you can see this Windows save an HTML file to your user folder and tell you the exact path. Just copy this path and open it on your Chrome or any other browser and hit enter. Then you will get this all report and you will get the design capacity and full charge capacity here. If you don't have time and if you don't want to read it more, then just let just go to ChatGPT and click on press and press on add files and just press your report here and click on open and then your report will be uploaded and tell me about my laptop battery condition and wait a few seconds. You will be see your battery report and he will be tell you the report design capacity 52,000 milliwatt and now current charge capacity 34,000 milliwatt and your report track capacity over time May, July or August. You can see your battery is getting low charging month by month. At full charge, 3.4 to 4.5 hours active user depending on your workload. If your battery still had design capacity, you would be getting 5 to 7 hours active. You can see now I will get this 3.5 to 4.5 hours. When this battery is designed and it was new, then it was giving 5 to 7 hours backup. And you can see now battery health between 70 to 90%, sometimes going to 40% or lower. And you will get this summary. Battery health here but delegated 66% of original and practical runtime 3 to 4.5 hours on full charge. Slowly declining capacity is month. Next step, keep battery between 20 to 80% for longer life. Avoid keeping it plugged on 24/7. Consider replacement if runtime becomes insufficient of your needs. So, battery health is simply full charge divided by design times 100 and you get the current cycle count that how many full charge discharge cycle on battery has seen. You will also see the battery capacity history. You will also see the battery capacity history and battery life estimation. If capacity tends down, get quickly estimation at fair new or battery againing faster than normal. On Windows, how to check your battery life? Select on Windows and click on settings. Click open and go to the system settings and here you will get the battery. Here you will get the power and battery. and here you will get the your power management. You will get the battery use here. You can see the all-time records here up to 7 days, and you can control your battery savings or battery use. Pro tip to extend battery life: keep it cool, avoid blocking vents and hot cars. Don't live at the 100% or 0%. Aim for the 20 to 80%. If your OEM offer charge limit, turn on battery saver when mobile, reduce screen brightness, close background app and disable heavy startup items. Keep BIOS firmware up to date. If your health under 60% or cycle count is high, considering a battery replacement for thin and light laptops. Check if the battery is serviceable. For warranty device, contact the manufacturer. Now you will read your battery health like a pro. If this happens, hit like, subscribe to Tech Stack Hub, and drop your health percentage in the comment. Will link the commands. I will link the commands below to easy copy paste. See you in the next one.